guys, it's Kimberly from the Back Quarter Shop, and we have a brand new pattern called Riverside by It's So Emma, and it uses the new Modern Background Color Box collection by Zen Chic for Moda, and I'm going to show you how to whip up this cute block. It's super simple and will add pizzazz to any of your quilts. So today I'm using the color 2600 by Aurifil. It's my go-to gray for anything that I'm doing that has lots of backgrounds. So first you're going to put together your fabric E square and your fabric F rectangle and press, and then add your fabric G rectangle. And that is going to look like this. And what we did was we designed this so that you could trim it down as you go, which is going to give you more accurate piecing. And we need this to be 6 1/4 inches. So on this bottom of your square, I'm just going to line up a 6 1/2 inch ruler, and I'm just going to line up a 1/4 inch away from the edge and trim. And then you've got a perfect square to move on to your next step. So now we're going to take the unit we just made, making sure the square is in the bottom right corner, add a fabric H rectangle, press, and add your fabric I rectangle and press. And then this is going to be your unit. Now on this one we're going to trim to 7 1/2, so I have a Creative Grid 7 1/2 inch ruler, and we are going to place from this seam right here 1 3/4 inches. So if you just follow the lines on your ruler for placement, then you're going to trim all 4 sides. And the reason that we did this is so that when you put it together, your block looks uniform and you don't have anything wonky. You know, sometimes when you do a log cabin, things kind of get wonky, and this is going to give you a prettier result when we go to the next step. So now all you have to do is have 4 of these units. You're going to add your sashing, which is your fabric A rectangles. Sew those together and press. Then you're going to add your fabric B rectangle and press. And your Riverside block is going to look just like this. It's so beautiful. It would look great in all kinds of fabric, and you can find the It's So Emma Riverside pattern at Back Quarter Shop or your local quilt shop. See you next time.